I'd like to show you how I create my painting ideas and build my mock-up reference images in Photoshop. These are a pair of night herons that I've been working on for months. It's a commission for a client, and it's been a really challenging piece to build because the dimensions are at 12 by 24. This is the final image, reference image that I have created for this piece, but I will show you how I got here. It's a pretty cool process, and here's the companion piece that would go along with it. You can see here all my tabs of different herons and images that I've pulled out. Focusing on the black crowned night heron, you can see I've added in a layer of mist. So I back that out. And then this is a night heron that's actually from this photo here. So I pulled this out and put it here and lessened the colors so it would not be quite as saturated, but also blend in with the background more. And this background image is from a stock photo of these fallen trees, and I just thought this was kind of that really neat swampy environment that they catch food in and would serve as a nice backdrop. This was probably what took me a long time, was, well, finding a good heron to do, and then also finding a background. So building all those components there, I get this, which then inspired, okay, now I want to rebuild this for the yellow crown night heron. There's a black crown and a yellow crown. And same thing here, I have the background, added in the mist here, rebuilt some of the grasses and the elements to make it more compositionally interesting. You can see all the different birds that I've been going through trying to, get something. So here's this bird here, and you can see it was on a different background and on a different branch. And I didn't like this branch in the painting. I wanted a different log here. So I built this log from another photo with the claws grasping it, added in the bird, and take that bird out. And now you can see it's on a different piece of wood that blends and matches more of the wood in this whole piece here. And then color corrected it so it blends in well with the background. These are all my different night herons that I might have used. Went through so many different options until then I put them side by side to see, okay, how would these two paintings look if they were hanging together? I have a couple different options. So here's that one with that branch, and that's why I didn't like that branch. I have it here, and then I can also flip and rearrange them and see, okay, what does it look like if they're both facing the same direction? How does the background look compositionally? How does it look if the client hung it there and hung this one first? So then I present all those different options to them in an email. Heard back today that he loves the compositions. He wants to include some of the native flowers in his area in Texas, so I'm going to now comb through Google to try and find some good reference photos for these flowers and try and incorporate and build them into the background to see how that looks, and then send it to him for approval. But once we have final approval, then these are the images here that I will use as my reference for bringing it to life on canvas. So thanks for watching.